Hey, hey, hello, hello, bonjour, bonjour, and welcome to Sunscreen Heaven. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyril. I used to be a stem cell researcher for quite some time, and this is why I can tell you about the science behind skincare ingredient. And today, this is time for me to share with you my favorite sunscreen of this year. I have a couple. Some of them, they are actually not new. Some of them are. So, the first one you do know if you have been following me for a long time, but if you are not, hello, welcome, and subscribe, people. I do make a difference between what I call more indoor sunscreens, which are basically sunscreen that you are going to wear mainly when you will be inside, and that you are not going to spend sometimes outside, and other type of sunscreen that I call hardcore sunscreen. So all my sunscreen recommendations, they are all SPF 50 plus, and I do not recommend you to go below SPF 50 plus. Far too often people just forget how UVB are dreadful. The higher the SPF is, and the less UVB will be transmitted to your skin, and I'm all for it. So my hardcore sunscreen are SPF 50 plus with a UVA protection of at least 30 or above. So for this year, I have basically two that are really amazing. The first one is, of course, my beloved and incredible P20 Sun Care for Kids, SPF 50 plus, and the UVA protection is above 50. I think P20 has disclosed the exact value, which is around 54, 56, something like that. I mean, mind-blowing UVA protection, really. If you are spending time outside, if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation, you want to really slow down the process of aging, people, the P20 is such a hit. And I think probably in January, I will have a little collab to show you how to make it work for different skin type and different skin tones, especially because, of course, this channel is for all of you. I've already done a ton of reviews and etc. But this one, this is, of course, fragrance-free, alcohol free. It has almost no white cast. If you do have a darker skin tone, you will need to spend some time to really massage in the product, and it will not leave a white cast. So yeah, basically that's the first one. This one was such an incredible hit, really. Another one, this is a French one that you find in the EU. This is the La Roche-Posay, the Antelios Ultra. This is the cream without perfume, this one right here. That is also an amazing one. If you're watching my video Chromophora, you were the one who told me to try this one. Oh, by the way, the P20, I've discovered it thanks to Peter. So thank you so much, Peter, for this amazing discovery. And the La Roche-Posay, it is thanks to Chromophora. She's so sweet. Anyway, and this one has the UVA protection of 34, if I'm not mistaken. It has also absolutely no white cast, so if you have a darker skin tone, you are going to love this one because it has no white cast. This is it does contain alcohol, not a crazy amount. With this one, I can tolerate it, which doesn't happen way too often with me with the European sunscreen. I mean, this is also a really lovely one. Now, we are going to go to more everyday, today sunscreen. Maybe some of them could be hardcore sunscreen, but I cannot be sure. So, Japanese sunscreen, all the Ali sunscreen from Kanebo, like this one, the extra UV gel. I am not going to go into details because those one will be features in my own favorite sunscreen of this year, which are basically sunscreen that I've been using and loving this year. So I will go into town and give you all the details and etc. This one does have a white cast. I mean, all Ali's sunscreen, they do have a white cast. Another Japanese one, I mean, without any surprise, which is maybe her hardcore sunscreen, I do not know, but if you are living in a very hot and humid sunscreen, if you are looking for a sunscreen that doesn't move, choose the Anessa, the Perfect UV Sunscreen Skincare Milk. Again, I have a whole video where I go into town where I explain what is the difference with the 220 version. I've also asked one of my friends to do swatches on his hand. I also did swatches on my partner. So like this, you have the swatches on medium skin tone and also on black skin tone if you really want to know, because like I've told you, this channel is not only for me and my Caucasian skin, is for all of you. So this is why I also wanted to have a variety. The last one, the last Japanese one, is the Anessa, the whitening UV sunscreen gel. So this one is really an indoor sunscreen. Anessa doesn't sell it as a outdoor sunscreen. Why I wanted to show you this one is because this one also contains tranexamic acid. So if you are suffering from hyperpigmentation when you are indoor, use this one. This one does have alcohol. It also has perfume, the Anessa 2. But this one has absolutely no white cast. For those of you also who has hyperpigmentation on your décolleté, also on your hands, try the Anessa during the day, but don't use it if you are going to spend some time outside. Another one that is also incredible that has no white cast, and this is the Biore UV Arthroism, the Skin Protect Essence SPF 50 plus, PA rating of 4+. So this one right here, also it does have perfume, it does have a little bit of alcohol, it doesn't bother my skin, it's pretty invisible on the skin. I know that Biore sold this one, also has a outdoor one. I won't use it for outdoors, I would stick to it mainly for indoors. But if you want a protection that is transparent without any white cast, that feels very nice on the skin, try this one. It also has perfume. For whatever reasons, I do prefer this one over the Aqua Riche. You know, the Aqua Riche, the blue one. The blue one has way too high. Actually, the two, the essence and also the one that they call the gel, which is actually not a gel, but a milk. But anyway, they have way too, they have too many alcohols. Even on my arms, on me, it burns my skin. With the Arthroism, I don't have this issue, so this one is a good one also to use like on the arms. When you are mainly inside, use this one to protect your arms and the white cast, like I have said. Another Asian one that is available in the United States, this is why I really wanted to feature it, that is not often talked about. This is the Beach Shield, this one from Crave Beauty. So this one cannot have the mention of the SPF because it uses modern filters that are unfortunately not available in the United States. If you are looking for everyday sunscreen, I highly recommend you to try the Crave Beauty one, and it has also no white cast. So whatever your skin color is, try the Beach Shield. The UVA protection, from what I recall, is the one also 20. So pretty lovely one. Okay, the last three are European one. Sloppy English. The first one is French. This is from the French brand SVR. Again, this is the Fluid Touché Sec Fini Invisible, the invisible finish dry touch fluid. This one is based on Tunnels of M, and this is one of the few European sunscreen that has a matte finish. It does have like a slight white cast, pretty invisible. If you have a fair skin tone like me, or if you have medium skin tone, you are not going to see it on your skin unless you apply it really a lot throughout the day. If you have a deeper skin tone, maybe it is not going to work, but this one is a really lovely one. It could be also a hardcore one, but I cannot be sure. And it has my beloved Tunnels of M. I mean, lovely, this one. Another one that I have not talked a lot, but that is a beautiful one for everyday use. I won't use it for a long time outside. This is the face fluid from Ultrasun, the brightening anti-spot and anti-pollution. My god, the name. In all the Ultrasun sunscreens that I've tried, this one is from far the best one. It does have a white cast. Again, is it a strong one? No, this is not a strong one. This is a pretty mild one. It is alcohol free also. Fragrance free, there is basically no irritants. If you are someone like me who tends to react to a lot of organic based sunscreen, with this one you probably will not have any issue with it. Also the finish is quite good. The finish is pretty normal, not overly oily and dewy and etc. I really like the Ultrasun. The last one is mainly for the body, but you may also consider to use on your face. This is the German brand, if I'm not mistaken. This is the Eucerin one, or Eucerin, whatever. This is the Touché Sec, so the dry touch probably. The Sun Gel Cream. This one, of course, SPF of 50+. This one also for the body. If you are looking for a sunscreen that is not too sticky, try this one. It does have perfume that I don't really enjoy. It also has alcohol. I mean, on the body, it really works. It's a really nice one. So basically, that's it. Yeah, that was a lot. I know. So Thank you so much. If you did like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new, you know what to do. Subscribe, and don't forget the bell. I also have 2 Instagram accounts, one in English. Accounts, Cyril, accounts. One in English and one in French. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you next time, beautiful people. See you, bye-bye.